saw on the phone.
So that was when you decided to kill her?
Yes.
Do you have any regrets?
I don't have any regrets.
My people, how una dey? Also na dey fine. Wonder shall never end though. Not be everybody wey wear cloth na e dey okay oh. Not be everybody wey wear cloth na e get brain, na e brain dey work oh. This video wanna just watch, so I go put am for una. This boy with this girl say they don dey for 1 year together as boyfriend and girlfriend. One day the something just enter him brain make he kpai this girl. According to him, he say he dey look the phone of a girlfriend, so the girl dey cheat on her because of the wetin the girl dey write go dey give another person. So he come decide say make dem meet for so place. He say as he come ask am say you dey cheat on me, say the girl come say no, I no dey cheat on you. Na so he just go inside house, inside kitchen, na he carry knife wey be say sharp well na he take kpai this girl. He said he just come for the girl back, na so he just eat am. According to them, when they come like know wetin happen, because he say as he don kpai the girl, he come go meet them for go meet Ogbalegbese. Na he kpai this girl. Na he kukuma even go put am for where he wan put am. They say this girl he cut am into 50 places. Oh Jesus! So mothers, make una pray for una children oh, make una pray for una children. You know say that our country wetin dem dey call depression, dem no know whether e dey exist. Because why? That is no be say dem no know e dey exist. Dem know say e dey exist, but no care. You know say abroad for here oyibo dem know say depression is real, so dem start to dey give dem medicine wey be say no go make dem take do something wey be say to kpai person or kpai himself. But Nigeria dem just leave dem. Na make Nigeria we dey see mad people for road. You no go see mad people for abroad because dem wear cloth. This one kpai, I go put this video more than lis ten to wetin dem talk, wetin he food. They even ask am say whether he regret or he get. He say he no even get. Oh my God! Now then, you tell no say he not dey normal. And this kind of person they not supposed to live on for road though, because person like this way kpai person, wetin they supposed to do? Just stick by him because he not get life again. Ha! May I put this video more and watch? Please help me to love and like and share for me. Leave your opinion. Pray for your children, especially those your children where be say them go they find boyfriend because you don't know who you want go meet. You go kpai just like that. He say they cheat. If woman they cheat, say should be you come off for there. Una bye for now. May I put the video for now?
She's a female friend, my girlfriend.
How long are you guys dating?
A year.
Oh yeah. How come none of the family members know that you guys were dating?
Because it's actually complicated. It's complicated.
So tell us about the complication.
We don't get to see each other all the time. We're always coming around. Like for example, we have a lot of people around. We come around most of those times. So that's how it is.
Did you kill Salome?
Yes.
Why did you kill her?
Why did I kill her? Because if you don't have each other all the time, you don't have each other all the time.
Is that a reason to kill?
Why did you kill Salome?
That's what I'm saying. We don't have each other all the time.
Simi, call this guy for me. You are here. Simi, you talked that time. Why you did you like this? Tell us.
Sometimes it's not because we don't really have each other all the time.
Simi, start from where you told me you invited Salome.
I invited Talume
Okay.
to come around most in a while.
Okay.
And we get to be most of the time. We've had a lot of things going on.
All right. On that day when she came to your house, when you invited
Narrate what happened on the day that you killed her.
She came to my house and we're actually vibing. We're not actually vibing well. But based on one or two things,
What is the one or two things?
we started getting close to each other. And I saw that my vibe and her vibe came together. So that was how we came to be together.
And that's how you killed her. Just tell us how you carried out, how long you planned to carry out the attack and how you executed it.
It's not something I really planned on. Something that it happened on that day, and it happened. Not like I had a plan in mind.
Simi,
Ma,
you told me that when she came, you caught her doing something. You caught her sex chatting with another man. That was why you killed her. So tell them, what is it? What has she done to you to deserve this? Tell them.
she was always cheating. She hid most of the things from me most times.
How did you get to know?
Because I saw her phone.
How? When did you go to know?
I saw her phone, like I said.
What did you see in the phone that made you very angry?
Most of the chat with the other guys. That's what I saw on the phone.
So that was when you decided to kill her.
Yes.
Do you have any regrets?
I don't have any regret.
Okay, you don't regret killing her.
I don't.
Why?
Because life is reciprocal. That's what I thought. Life is reciprocal. And if you must be with someone, you have to be reciprocal with that person. You have to understand what that person is going through, so that you can actually put yourself in the position that kind of person is going through. So that was why I didn't have any regret, because we were actually compatible. So that was why.
So, Mr. Timmy, please narrate how it happened, what you saw that made you kill, and how you did it. What happened on that day?
What happened on that day was very simple. I caught her cheating on me, and so I brought it to her awareness that she was cheating. She refused. She didn't want to accept until I showed her the chat and showed her what she did, what she admitted, and told me she was sorry. It's never gonna happen again. That was what happened.
So afterwards, you now asked her to go into the bathroom. What happened?
After that, I told her to go into the bathroom. She went to the bathroom and started some things. Immediately started those things. I couldn't take it lightly. I had to go into the room of where I can get some certain things that will happen. So I took the knife from the restroom and went it to her. Immediately she was lying her hand down. I held her neck and I did what I had to do, and that was it.
When she died, what happened?
When she died, nothing really happened.
You went and took the cutlass, then what?
I only took some parts of the knife, and that was it. That was what happened.
So how were you caught?
I wasn't caught. I surrendered myself.
It's not true.
How? You were caught trying to dispose.
I surrendered myself. If I didn't want anybody to catch me, I would have done that. It's very simple.
It's not true.
It's simple, to be honest.
Simi said he surrendered himself.
Are you ready to face the wrath of the law?
It's not a big thing to pay. It's not a big thing to pay.
It's not a big thing to pay. So tell us, where are you from?
I'm from Kogi State. I'll be 30 this year.
You told us 31.
I'll be 30
Initially, you
this year.
said 32. You now said 31.
I'll be 30 this year, this October.
And you say you have no regrets.
I have no regret.
Simi,
What do you do for a living?
I'm a cryptocurrency agency.
Yes, our position, the position of the family is we discovered this through the Nigerian police, and we are expecting justice from the police. He has succeeded in destroying our daughter. Not ordinary killing, he butchered her into pieces. He cut that body into more than 50 pieces. And when you look at the whole thing, is preparing that body for consumption, because he cut all these things and leave them in about 6 polythene bags. That is to say, if you look at where people contributed money to buy cow during festive period, and those times that the Fulanis will come to share the cow among the people that contributed for it, that is exactly what he did in his room. And when we went to his room, we discovered that this is not the first thing he's doing. This is the first time he's doing this thing. He's a professional in this. He has a place. He has a place in his room. All those kind of knife, he has them there that he used to cut and arrange. Yeah, there is a big basin there that he cuts and put inside. And in short, there are a lot of evidence that this is not even the first person he has destroyed there. And in his area there, he's known to be a fraudster. He has deceived many churches to collect their money and run away. They call him a gospel musician, but on the network I discover he's a fraudster. He has duped many people, committed a lot of crime before he landed himself in this business that he's doing now. I am suspecting him to be a human part trafficker, because the way he prepared those bodies is not meant for any other thing. It's meant for consumption. He cleaned it up for consumption. And also, I want to commend the effort of the DPO of New Karishi Division. He did tremendously. I was shocked at his effort in this thing. He started this work without anybody of the family being there to fuel him, to pay for paper for case. All this, he didn't look for me for anything. When the call comes that my daughter had an accident and he was in OK General Hospital, I came to OK General Hospital and discovered that it was not an accident, that it was a case of murder. And when I look at his efforts to get the situation controlled, I say yes, he's right. I commended him to the area commander of New Karo in Nasarawa State yesterday, his efforts. And also I'm here to even let the nation know that the DPO has proof that police were not what they are saying about them. And I am also looking forward to see a good result from his superior as we are handing over this case to the Commissioner of Police.